Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network on the application of Slack. You will click on settings, then we can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above we can search about Slack and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you